Okay, back again for another one. And in this video, we have the Insta360 Go 3. Yeah. Okay, so that phrase that all these YouTubers say, you know when these YouTubers go, oh yeah, Insta360 didn't pay or sponsor this video, but they did send out this product for review, but I am going to give my unbiased opinion. Even when YouTubers say that, I still get turned off because like, yeah, sure, they didn't pay or sponsor you, but they sent the product out for you, so you want to keep a good relationship with them, so you're gonna try to keep it as positive as possible. So, I don't know, I just get turned off. I click away from those type of videos. But hey, here over at the DubeTube team, we're sitting on like 100 subscribers, so Insta360 did not send jack squat out to us. We spent our own money to take a look at this product and give you guys a fair and unbiased review. So with that being said, let's take a look at this thing. Now, it is as small as they say. I'm gonna go ahead and take this camera cover off real quick. Okay, look at that. Now, it is as small as my thumb. So this guy is miniature. Come on. Yeah. All right. I don't know why that was so hard to take off. Anyway, let's go ahead and look at the user guide that I'm not going to read. I really should start reading those, huh? I probably should. Anyway, all right, so USB-C, yes, books a million, okay. Let's open this up here. We got accessories galore. So this first thing here is almost like a adhesive slash suction thing that it looks like you like put onto surfaces. And this thing here, hold on, let me get it out. This thing here is the thing you screw onto this. And this has a magnet on top. Hold on. Let me go get the thingy-majiggy. Yeah, I know, I speak English. All right, there you go. So it magnetizes on top. You have the hub here that also acts as the screen that you can view it. Look at this, check this out. Ready? And go get it real quick. Ooh, look how nicely that fits into that. You see that red light? That shows that it's charging inside the unit. Now, with the camera alone, outside of its little charging hub, the battery sucks. I think it was like 30 or 40 minutes or something. But when you put it in this hub, it's like 170 minutes or something like that. So it makes it better. Look at that record button, the big fat record button on top. Does this screen flip up? I'm pretty sure it does. Hold on. I don't know why it's so difficult. Am I just a weakling? Oh, this thing's stiff. That's why. It's stiff to kind of flip onto the others. Yeah. Take a look at that. All right. And now we have this. Take this sticker off. Man, this thing got a lot of stickers on it, huh? Okay. Now, this is the hat clip. Pretty straightforward. You just clip this part onto your hat, right? And then you put the camera into this, yeah. And then this is the pendant necklace. So you wear it like a necklace. Hold on, another sticker. Okay. And then this is the, it's a magnet as well. So you can stick the camera on there, wear it like a necklace, and you can get it like a chest view. So yeah. All right, putting the box away. So you get the pendant, you get the hat holder, you get the magnet holder, you get the magnet holder stand, you get the little docking station, the camera, and you have the wire itself. Now, all of these things combined, the camera, the dock, all the accessories that come with it, you got a price tag of $399 buckaroonies, round that up to about $400. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and take this out into the real world and do a unbiased review of this thing to see if it's actually worth the hype. All right, cool. Let's go. All right, so I'm taking a walk right now. It's Florida, so I have to go out during the sunset. Man, y'all really made me leave my house and go for a walk outside of the comfort of my own home to make this video. Please leave a like on this video. It is hot out here. I'm out here doing this for you guys. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm using the hat clip, by the way. I'm wearing a hat. What do y'all think of the Jordan 1 Chicago lows? Yeah, I'm a Jordan 1 low guy. There's a lot more like high top lovers than low top lovers, but I've always been a low top guy. Anyway, that aside, go ahead and peep the video quality. All the audio you're hearing is unprocessed, coming from the camera itself. It probably sounds pretty good, and the reason it sounds pretty good is because, like I said, I'm using the hat clip right now, and the hat is very close to my mouth, which means the camera is really close to my mouth, so all the audio you're hearing is probably going to be super loud, because it's me essentially talking into the microphone. I'm like 5 inches away from the microphone. So yeah, this is what it looks like from the top-down shot. Let's go ahead and switch to the pendant shot, because I have the pendant right here. So we're going to put the magnet right here so you guys can see what I see as well. So yeah, let's go to that. All right, so check me out. So this is the camera, like right above my belly button. I got cars driving by. You got like cicadas in the forest right next to me. So all these vocals that you're hearing is the camera like right above my belly button. Let me see, actually. Can y'all see this? So I can actually view what I'm recording in real time using this like hub that this thing lives in. See? Right here. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so just looking at the video quality now, I'm in 2.7K, 30 frames per second. Not gonna lie to y'all, the video quality is not that great. Genuinely, it's not. I'm pretty sure, no, I'm not pretty sure. I'm actually certain that my iPhone records at a better quality than this video camera, but that's not the point. The point is that this records decent enough quality video to get shots of you doing cool stuff in a place where a traditional camera or even a phone couldn't fit places onto. Like, for example, I can't put my iPhone on my stomach and get a shot like this, but I can put this camera on my stomach and on my hat when I'm doing sports and stuff. So that's what kind of this is for. A lot of people are saying, oh, this camera's not good, the quality is not 4K. I think they're missing the whole point. And the whole point of this is that it's, yeah, I get it, it's not a high quality camera, but I feel like it's supposed to be a tool. It's a tool in the toolbox. So if I'm making a video or like a review, I would use this as a tool to get very certain and specific shots. I just wouldn't use it for the entire video. All right, so back in the stew. Stew means studio, by the way. I didn't just make that up, I swear. What are my thoughts of the Insta360 Go 3? Well, let's talk about it. So I made a pros and cons list. So one of the pros that we have here is the portability and size. Now, while inside the hub, it's the same size as the DJI and maybe a GoPro as well, it really shines when you take this part out of the camera, because like you saw in the unboxing, it's about the same size as my thumb, which allows it to fit in places that wouldn't traditionally fit other sized action cameras. And it's cool because it's a little bit lighter weight as well, because it's so small, to be able to fit on something like my hat, as you saw earlier, or that pendant necklace that just kind of hung on my stomach for a little bit. I'm recording right now.
Did you know there's a rapper from Miami named Ball Greasy?
Huh? Ball Greasy? Okay, so another pro that we have with this camera is the ease of use. So this camera links to my phone via an app and transfers all the files via Bluetooth. It makes it super easy to export all these files simply onto my camera roll, and then I can just simply airdrop whatever is in my camera roll to my Mac for editing videos. I like how it's set up. That's definitely a pro in my eyes. Okay, so the third pro that I wanted to talk about was the creative ways that you can film. Now, like I said, this thing is small, super portable. Honestly, you're only bottle capped here by your own creativity when it comes to creative ways. I've seen so many people on YouTube use this camera in so many different ways that I never could have imagined. So it's really up to your imagination how you can and plan to use this camera, because of not only its magnetic features, but all the accessories that it comes with. And because it comes with so many accessories, you have other manufacturers making a lot of accessories for this product as well. And the last pro that I wanted to touch on that really stood out to me was the microphone. especially because the microphone has a specific setting for wind and noise cancellation, anything outside of your voice that it picks up. There was actually a lot of wind on my walk that I just went on and came back from, but you guys probably didn't hear it because I went into the settings and turned on the wind noise canceling. So that was a great pro, and I think it worked really well. Now with the product, you can't just have pros, so let's go ahead and get into the cons. Now, the first con I did notice about the camera is the video quality. I'm just gonna be completely honest, the video quality, not that great. It can't do 4K, it can only do 2.7K at 30 frames per second. But like I said earlier, I don't think that that's the point. I think the point of this camera is to be able to capture decent enough quality video to get the point across. I feel like, in my personal opinion, I wouldn't shoot and make an entire YouTube video with this camera, but this camera is like a tool in the toolbox. It does have a time and place where it is necessary, and it's a very valuable tool in my arsenal and the team's arsenal here at DupeTube. So like I said, time and place, it's used to supplement an already existing video with really cool shots of you doing really cool stuff in places that you normally couldn't fit a camera. Now, another con is the low light performance. I'm gonna be honest, low light performance, again, not that great. When we're talking about low light performance, even me inside my house at night with the lights on, you get really grainy, really almost unusable footage. So when it comes to low light or being in dark spaces, this is actually an action camera I probably wouldn't recommend using. This is just my personal opinion and from what I've seen. So third con that we have here, and probably my final one, is the occasional app failures. So sometimes when I'm trying to export the clips from the app onto my camera roll, I'd say about 30% of the time I do get an export failure, which requires me to have to do it again, which does waste a little bit of time. So that's not something that can't be remedied with a software update, and I'm sure Insta360 will take note of this and eventually roll out a software update. But until then, that is a con that I personally have for myself. So all in all, what is my opinion about this guy? Honestly, I feel like it's a great tool. Like I said, every camera in our arsenal has a time and a place where it's appropriate to be used. I feel like this is a great supplemental tool to add on to an already existing video to get really cool shots that you wouldn't be able to get otherwise. Now, with the pros and cons and everything considered, along with the price tag of $399, what would I give this product? Personally, in my opinion, what I believe is fair, I would give it an 8.7 out of 10. I believe that's justified. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave it in the comment section down below. Please leave a like on this video if you appreciated it, and I hope I helped you make a buying decision. A subscribe would be lovely to the channel as well. Until then, thanks for hanging out with me. All right.